Welcome to the Healthy Guide. If you're looking to burn fat, stay healthy, and live longer, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving straight into an effective treadmill interval workout that will help you get fit, lose weight, and transform your routine. This video will be packed with actionable tips, so stick around, and by the end, you'll have all the tools you need to crush your fitness goals. Let's get started. Understand the power of intervals. Treadmill interval workouts are all about alternating between high-intensity running and lower-intensity recovery periods. This technique torches calories and keeps your metabolism firing long after your workout ends. The key is intensity. Push yourself during those high intervals, but make sure your form stays solid. Avoid the temptation to go too easy during recovery. Remember, you're here to build a healthy life and get results. Intervals also improve cardiovascular fitness and endurance, helping your heart and lungs work more efficiently. Think of them as your secret weapon for making workouts more exciting and effective. Plus, they're time efficient, meaning you can achieve more in less time. Start slow if you're a beginner. If you're new to interval running, don't worry. Start with a moderate pace for your high-intensity periods and extend your recovery time. For instance, run for 30 seconds and walk for 1 to 2 minutes. Gradually increase the intensity as your endurance builds. The most important part is consistency. This isn't about being perfect. It's about showing up for yourself every time. Listen to your body and don't rush progress. Slow beginnings build strong habits that last. Remember, even a small effort today lays the foundation for bigger accomplishments tomorrow. Perfect your form. Running on a treadmill isn't just about moving fast. Proper posture and form are crucial to avoid injury and maximize fat burn. Keep your shoulders relaxed, gaze forward, and avoid holding onto the treadmill's handles unless necessary. Engaging your core can also improve stability and make your workout more effective. Focus on a light, quick foot strike rather than heavy steps. Maintaining an upright posture can reduce strain on your lower back and hips, ensuring a smoother workout. A good form means efficiency, which translates to better results with less effort. Adjust the incline for a challenge. Adding incline to your treadmill workout simulates running uphill and increases the intensity without needing to speed up. It's a great way to boost calorie burn and build lower body strength. Start with a slight incline and gradually raise it during your workout. This little tweak can make a world of difference in your results. Incline training also activates different muscle groups, particularly your calves and glutes, giving you a more comprehensive workout. It's a simple way to push past plateaus and keep seeing progress. Adjusting incline adds variety, keeping your routine fresh and exciting. Avoid common mistakes. One common mistake people make is skipping the warm-up. Don't jump straight into intervals. Spend at least 5 minutes warming up to prepare your muscles and joints. Another error is pushing too hard too fast. Progress is key. Gradually increase your speed and incline to avoid burnout and stay healthy. Remember, form over speed always wins in the long run. Also, neglecting proper hydration can sabotage your efforts, so sip water before and after your workout. Lastly, don't forget to listen to your body. Pain is a signal to adjust, not push through recklessly. Before we move on, let me ask, are you enjoying this video? If you're learning something new, hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more tips and routines. Drop a comment below if you've ever tried treadmill intervals or share your favorite fat-burning workouts. I'd love to hear from you. And remember, everyone who comments on this video gets my free ebook, Healthy Eating on a Budget, with a 7-day meal plan to support your goals without breaking the bank. Let's get back to it. Mix cardio with strength training. To really maximize fat loss, combine your treadmill intervals with strength exercises. Alternate between running and bodyweight exercises like squats, lunges, or push-ups. This approach not only burns calories but also builds muscle, which helps you stay healthy and live longer by improving your overall fitness. Mixing in strength movements also enhances balance and coordination, making you a more well-rounded athlete. Strength training during recovery intervals keeps your heart rate elevated for a continuous calorie burn. Plus, it breaks the monotony of running, keeping your sessions fun and engaging. Fuel your body right. Your pre- and post-workout meals can make or break your progress. Eating a small snack with carbs and protein before your workout fuels your energy levels, while a post-workout meal helps with recovery. Think a banana with peanut butter or a smoothie with protein powder. Nourishing your body is just as important as the workout itself. Staying hydrated is equally critical. Start with water and consider an electrolyte drink if you're sweating a lot. Don't skip meals, as consistent nutrition is the foundation of consistent performance. Track your progress. Measuring your performance helps you stay motivated. Use a fitness tracker or app to monitor your speed, incline, and duration. Celebrate small wins, like running faster or lasting longer in high-intensity intervals. Progress takes time, but every step counts toward a healthier life. Logging your workouts also highlights trends, showing you what works best for your body. Seeing numbers improve over time can be a huge morale booster. Progress tracking isn't just about numbers. It's about building momentum toward your goals. Stay consistent and motivated. We all have days when motivation dips, but consistency is key. Try setting specific goals like completing 3 treadmill workouts per week or increasing your incline by 1% every session. Visualization can also help. Imagine the fit, healthy version of yourself you're working toward. Find a workout buddy or accountability partner to keep you on track. Remember, consistency beats perfection. Even imperfect efforts add up over time. Reward yourself for milestones, whether it's new gear or a fun, active outing. Cool down and recover. Never skip the cool down. Spend 5 to 10 minutes walking at a slow pace and stretching your muscles. Recovery is where the magic happens. It prevents soreness and helps your body rebuild stronger for your next workout. Staying healthy isn't just about the work you put in, but how well you let your body recover. Incorporate foam rolling or a hot bath to soothe tired muscles. Proper sleep is another critical recovery tool. Your body needs rest to repair and grow stronger. As we wrap up, let me remind you about that free ebook, Healthy Eating on a Budget. It's packed with wallet-friendly recipes that are as delicious as they are nourishing. Leave a comment to grab your copy and start transforming your meals and health today. Thank you so much for watching. We post videos 6 days a week to help you live longer, stay healthy, and get fit. Don't forget to subscribe, activate notifications, and join this amazing community of like-minded individuals. What part of today's video will you try first? Or do you have any questions about treadmill workouts? Leave your thoughts below, and let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, stay healthy and keep striving for your goals. See you soon.